Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a sloth. That's right, we're going to draw a cute sloth. This sloth will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the sloth's head. I like to add a little tuft of hair on the top of my sloth's head. Let's also draw the rest of the sloth's body, starting with its arms. Next, I will draw in the sloth's legs and I will have them crossed in the front. You will notice that I like to keep the shape and lines of the sloth very round, so no sharp edges. I think this keeps the sloth cuter this way. Next, we will draw in the sloth's fingers and toes. Afterwards, we will draw in the face for our sloth. I will start with 2 semicircles for the eyes and a small oval in between for its nose. Feel free to change up the expression on your sloth's face. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. Start by coloring 2 small ovals around the sloth's eyes. Next, let's color in the sloth's face. Isn't it so cute already? Next, I will use my brown to color in the sloth's body. Feel free to change up the color for the sloth. If you want a challenge, you can add on some accessories for your sloth. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your sloth's accessories. There are so many color combinations possible. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little sloth. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some toys or a basket of fruits. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of sloths in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the sloth. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.